These are the exact mistakes a lot of small YouTubers make after every upload. In this video, I'll show you the mistakes that you need to avoid, because this could be why YouTube isn't recommending your videos, why you don't get enough views, why your videos are not being suggested and pushed by YouTube. So I'll show you the exact mistakes and how to fix them fast. Watch till the end, because the very last one is a game changer. In the first link below, you can speak with me directly. And if you're yet to like and subscribe to this channel, now is your moment. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with all whom will gain value from it. Let's dive right into it. Okay, now I'm sharing my screen so I can show you step by step all I've been talking about. Now, first thing first, the first thing you want to get right is how you upload your files. That's the first thing you must get this right. So let me just do a demo upload for you to see. So I'm uploading a video now. Now, can you see I just downloaded this video from WhatsApp and I uploaded it on here without even naming it properly. So yes, I can change the name here. You can change the title here to whatever you want, how to make. However, because you have uploaded it, look at this bit. You cannot change the name at this point. Let me highlight it. So it's been uploaded that way. I can't change that bit. It's now WhatsApp video. So I cannot change that bit. That is why before you upload your videos, go on and ensure that you name it correctly with the title you have researched and the title you want to use. So let the video already be named that way. Okay, let the video already be named that way before you attempt to upload it. Because once you upload it, this bit stays the same, but you can only go and change the title. But remember, we're trying to position our videos as growing YouTubers. You're trying to do your absolute best to position your videos in such a way that YouTube has enough metadata to classify and categorize your videos in the right place. So you don't want to have this in your metadata. You don't want to have WhatsApp video. No, that's not what you want to have. You want to have the exact title that contains the keywords you're trying to rank for. Let's say if you're trying to rank for views, get more views on YouTube, and your title becomes how to get more views on YouTube. So your key phrase will be maybe more views on YouTube or views on YouTube. So that key phrase has to be embedded in your title. So you wouldn't be trying to rank for get more views on YouTube and your title becomes something else, just something totally different. I was trying to think of something totally different. No, that won't help you. Next bit is your description. Let me take it slowly. Your description. Whatever you do, do not, in this world and the world to come, do not leave your description empty. Do not leave the description empty. You have finished filming the videos and you're like, oh, I'm so tired. I just want to post it and walk away. I don't have time to think of a description. Do not leave your description empty. You can use ChatGPT to write a description for you. It is so simple. Just hop on ChatGPT and say, write me a description, copy your title, paste it on ChatGPT and say, I'm doing a video and the title is this. If you like, you can upload your thumbnail as well on ChatGPT. And you can do all of this with a free account. I'm doing a video whose title is this, and I want you to give me as many highly SEO optimized, tags in my description, write a description that contains highly SEO optimized, keywords in them. And ChatGPT will speed it out for you in 1 second. It's that easy. So it doesn't add to your work. Ensure that you have a description. I've seen people just write a sentence, probably an unrelated sentence. This video is about, no, 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 don't do that. Don't do that. Now, I told you that AI has made things super easy. It has never been this easy to, upload videos with the right set of keywords, because ChatGPT can give you the right keywords. It can give you the tags and write the description for you. What else are you looking for? You can do everything with AI like in 1 second. While you upload right here, while I'm uploading, all I need to do is to just clear everything here. Hop onto ChatGPT, generate my description, come here and paste the description. Okay. So the next bit is also know that if you have the script of your video, because some people use teleprompters in their videos, if you have the whole script of the YouTube video, even better, paste the entire script on ChatGPT and tell it to generate a description for you, and it will do so. So the same principle I gave while I told you why uploading your video is the same principle that applies to your thumbnail. So do not think that you can just upload a thumbnail that you haven't named. And it's easy. Just name your thumbnail the same thing you name your video. So if your video is how to get more views on YouTube, just name the thumbnail how to get more views on YouTube. Same thing or something similar. Okay, so because as a growing YouTuber, as a small YouTuber, you want to position your video with every bit and pieces. Whether people are again, oh, it doesn't matter whether you name your video, it doesn't matter. No, not you. You are not leaving any stone unturned. You are not taking chances at all. So you are following the steps, and because it doesn't take much, just copy your title, name your thumbnail, and upload your thumbnail here. Then add it to a playlist. Have a playlist. You can have maybe a playlist grow on YouTube, depending on your niche. Whatever your video is about, just name it appropriately. So that's one key area. So you want to ensure that you tick not for kids. This is so critical, because if you mistakenly forget or if you mistakenly tick yes for kids, YouTube will categorize your video as for kids and will heavily restrict it, censor it. So make sure you tick not for kids. Okay? So the next bit is also tick this no, especially if your video does not contain, all of this. Do you make a real person appear or to say something that they didn't say? So tick no. This is important to position your videos rightly. Then you want to go in and remember when I say you can generate tags with ChatGPT. You can also generate tags with free tag generators. Go online, just type tag generator. You will see free tag generator. So what you're looking for is highly SEO optimized tags that will help your video rank. So fill in this tag and utilize the space. In fact, tags are so powerful, because before now, certain people used to just copy the tags and put it into description. But now YouTube has banned that kind of, that's to show you how tags are so powerful. YouTube have banned that kind of method. So now this tag area, please utilize it fully. In the description, you can only just put maybe 2, 3, or 4 hashtags. But in this tag area, load it up to the capacity. Okay? And load it with relevant tags, not just any tags. Relevant tags. Okay? That is the tags that will help your videos rank. And you can use ChatGPT to generate it. The same ChatGPT you said, generate me a description. You tell it to generate you tags. Okay? That is so important. Now, I need to take you to this next bit because I told you that the last ones are so, like, my last tip is so powerful. Like, so powerful. Now, you see this place where you said, and put end screens. Make sure you put end screens. What is an end screen? An end screen is just you clicking and showing the viewer what next to watch. Now let me help you and show you this bit. You see this one that has two in it. Let me click on it and show you how it appears. It shows you best for viewer and most recent. Don't do that. Just put only one. In fact, what I do that has worked is I put just one, but I put a playlist. Why playlist? Because I want the viewer to land in a playlist. You know, on YouTube, when you are on YouTube, you see other people's video by the side, even while you're watching one. So while you're watching this my video, you will see other people's video and your eye will just keep going to other people's videos. And if care is not taken, you just, click off mine and go and click on the next eye-catching one. But when you direct them to a playlist, let me show you what I want you to do. Just put one like this. And that one should be a playlist. Let's just go and pick any playlist just for you to understand. You see the drop down. Now pick a playlist and this is a playlist of 10 videos. So if I do this, I'll delete this and leave only a playlist, so that by the time I'm getting to the end of the video, don't wind your videos down by saying, oh, thank you for watching. This is the end of the video. No. At the end of the video, that's another opportunity to direct people to two things: the description box. Anything you have mentioned in the video, you want to add links in the description box. Remember, I told you, do not leave the description box empty. It's a massive space that you can use for so much. So, or anything you've mentioned in the videos, like if I say, you can speak to me one-on-one, you can work with me one-on-one, link is in the description box below. If I say, oh, I've created a free checklist for you to do this and that, and the link is in the description box below. So the description box is heavily packed, and you can also put links to other videos in your description box. Better still, you can put links to playlists in your description box, and I'm about to explain to you the power of playlists. So you see this playlist I put, must watch videos for YouTube growth, has 10 videos already. So if someone clicks on it, it just takes the person to watch 10 videos. So the person might finish watching one. So instead of seeing another person's video, all you're seeing is 10 videos that are all mine. So before you know it, someone is binge watching your content. Watch the first one, second one, third one. Before you know it, 5 videos down already. That is the power of playlists. This tip is so important that you cannot afford. Do not miss this tip. Drum it in your head. Do not miss this tip. Okay? Put the playlist on there and put your videos on it. Even if you're linking a video in your description, make sure that video is part of a playlist. So that when someone goes to the description and, I like the title of this video, click on it, it takes the person to a playlist and the person can binge watch your content. And that is what YouTube wants. It wants people to stay on the platform more. And that is what you want, because that increases your watch time and therefore your revenue. So this is so powerful. Now, finally, that is the most powerful tip, if you ask me. They are all important, but this one, don't miss it. And at the end, instead of just clicking publish, always schedule your videos. Okay, schedule your videos so that YouTube can have time to, categorize it, put, unless you cannot, in a situation where it's either you post now or you don't post at all for that week, please post the video. But if you have the chance, if you have the opportunity, schedule it. Some people will say make it private or unlisted, but schedule it to give YouTube time to do their thing. Categorize your video, rank your video, do everything before it is public. People who schedule their videos, the videos do well, better. Statistics have shown the videos do better than people who just film and you're just done, you're tired, you just like click publish right now. Okay. So what you need to do next is watch that playlist that you can see on your screen now. Click on it and you'll find much more valuable content in there that will help you scale, grow your YouTube, grow your brand online, your audience online, and turn your passion to profit. And if you're serious, not just curious, click the first link in the description box to work with me one-on-one as I provide coaching. See you in the next video.